Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook leads to a HelloSign. All right. So there are no integrations with HelloSign right here, or you can't integrate HelloSign directly to Facebook leads. All right. But we can go ahead and use third-party websites like Zapier. All right. Now to use Zapier, just go ahead and go to zapier.com. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Just go ahead and create your account. It's pretty easy to do. All right. I'm just going to log in right here just for you to see. Now in here, now to create a connection, just go ahead and go to the top left and click on create right here and click on Zaps. Now it's really up to you if you wanted the trigger to be the Facebook leads. All right. And the action is HelloSign or vice versa. All right. For example, trigger, we would select Facebook leads. There you go. We have lead ads and Facebook lead ads for business admins. Okay. Go ahead and select one. Select the trigger event. For example, new lead account. Just sign in with your Ads Manager account. Now once done, click on action. Select HelloSign or Dropbox sign. There you go. And if you didn't know yet, HelloSign is now called Dropbox sign. Okay. Choose an action event. Now, whenever you have a new lead, just for this example, okay, the trigger event will be to create or send a signature request from template. Okay. You can go ahead and use that. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and sign in with your Dropbox sign account. All right. Same as here on a Dropbox sign, just sign in with your account and make sure to configure each, for example, in Facebook leads page. Select the page in a form and then test the trigger if you want. Okay. Once everything is set up, you have your trigger event and your action event. Just go ahead and hit on publish. And once done, these two will be automated. Okay. You can go ahead and play around with the events right here. As you can see, if you want Dropbox at the top as the trigger, you can go ahead and do so as well. Say, for example, trigger to a Dropbox sign and the action is Facebook leads. All right. For example, from Dropbox sign, the event would be signature request declined, signature request sent, signature request signed, or request viewed. And on Facebook leads, action event, create ad statistics report, or create a lead ad, or find an ad. Okay. Again, once you have it set up, just go ahead and hit on publish. And once done, everything will be automated. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.